Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Google Meet share screen not working. If you're having trouble presenting your screen in Google Meet, don't worry. In many cases, the issue can be resolved with a few quick checks. We'll walk through a simple sequence that helps rule out the most common causes, starting from how you open the meeting and ending with a browser or app update if needed. Begin by going to Google Calendar. This is helpful because joining the meeting directly from the scheduled event can sometimes provide a cleaner and more stable way to access Google Meet than opening an old tab or reusing a previous session. Once you're in Google Calendar, open your event and click Join with Google Meet. Entering the meeting from the calendar event makes sure you're joining the correct session and can help avoid glitches that happen when a meeting link has been sitting open for too long. After the meeting opens, refresh Google Meet. A simple refresh can reload the session properly and clear temporary issues that may be preventing screen sharing from working. If Meet loaded incorrectly the first time, this often gives it a fresh start. Next, check whether your camera is allowed to be used by the site from the address bar area in your browser. Even though you're troubleshooting screen sharing, browser permissions can affect how Google Meet functions overall. Look for the Site Permissions icon near the web address and confirm that access is allowed where needed. If permissions were blocked earlier, updating them here can help Meet behave normally. Then, close unnecessary programs or tabs. Screen sharing can use a fair amount of system resources, especially if you have many browser tabs, background apps, or heavy software running at the same time. Closing anything you don't need can improve performance and reduce the chance of screen share failing or freezing. This is especially useful on slower computers or when several apps are competing for memory. Finally, update your browser or the Google Meet app if you're using one. An outdated browser or app can cause compatibility issues, including problems with presenting your screen. Installing the latest version helps ensure you have the newest fixes, performance improvements, and support for Meet features. After going through these checks, try sharing your screen again. In many cases, one of these adjustments is enough to solve the problem. If needed, repeat the process carefully and make sure each change has fully taken effect before testing again. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get Google Meet screen sharing working smoothly.